All right, everybody, we are here at Terrateck. I'm Lydell.
I'm Romain.
And we're going to be doing the optional accessories for the mulch layer and how you assemble them. They're pretty simple, but we thought we'd show it on camera while we're here. So, Romain, show us first how to do the drip tape add-on.
Yep. So you can put on top of the handle of the layer like two small hook for the reel. Those two are going in the middle of the handle. And then you can fit like the drip tape reel on the handle and just slide down the hoses in the middle of the layer.
All right, well, let's show them how to do this.
Okay.
So we got the cones, and we're going to remove the one bar.
Yep.
A reminder, if you are assembling the mulch layer and you have this kit, you could just go ahead and add it while you're doing that, so you don't have to do this as a separate step. But if you buy this as a kit that's an added on later, you can just go ahead and do what we're doing here. We're going to add the collar first, and I gotta go the other way. I loosen it, not tighten. Okay, I think we had a cone like that.
Yep, you're right.
All right, it's pretty self-explanatory, I think.
So then you put the reel.
Then the reel, okay, the drip tape. Yep. So that's a good point. This you have to put it on every time, take it off.
We have a small trick. You can just cut the outside of the rubber.
That's why we like these videos.
Just slide, you can just slide the main tube outside.
All right, so that could be a tip
trick.
That, if you want. Just cut a little bit off the end and then just slide the tube out. Okay, that's great. Okay, so then we're going to reinstall that and add the bolts back on down there. Okay, so up here you have the collar and the locking set screw. So once you have the drip tape on up here, you can set that collar and those drip tape and also tighten these wing nuts back down. And that's where we have the handlebar assembly ready to go with the drip tape holder. Okay. All right, so that was pretty simple. And again, also the assembly of this unit is fairly simple, just takes a little bit of time, like many things. We're going to now go to the next step, and we're going to show how to do the transport wheels.
So we have designed transport wheels because this is quite a heavy machine. I mean, like it's quite light when it's just let's say the body of let's say the machine itself. But as soon as you just fit a plastic roller on it, it's much more heavier. So we're gonna install the transport wheel.
Okay. So we have a left and a right bracket. I think they're the same though. Oh no, they're not. Again, reminder, I learned this in the first video. If you watched it, there is a different shape. So I will show that to you here in a second once I remove these U-bolts. And they're all gonna fall down, and that's okay. So I'm gonna just point this out here. So you're going to notice that there are two different ways that the tube is welded on. Romain, is it go on?
So you remember we said like there is a L and a T.
Yep.
So you can see here it's more like an L.
So we're going to do the L on this side.
The L on this side, yeah.
All right. So I took the U-bolts off. Okay. Okay. So this goes between the tire and the plastic mulch.
Let's say you can choose the position.
Okay.
There is not really like the good position, but yeah, you can put it there or.
And why? Again, it can get heavy, but you know you don't need this to necessarily operate. And you could just move these tires down as well.
Let's say when there is the rollers, it means then you have to move up the rollers and move down the tires. So you
and I can tell you when lay plastic mulch, you do not want to mess with the adjustments.
Exactly. So you don't want to move the adjustment.
No,
So
I agree.
We have designed those tires so you keep the adjustment when it's working good.
Yep.
And you just push down the optional tires where you can just.
Okay. Yeah, because I know just laying. I haven't used this machine yet myself, but I know that laying plastic mulch, getting things adjusted perfectly, it just takes time. Okay. So does the tire go out?
Yep.
Like that?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
That you can lift it down, like this.
All right.
So in that way, you just carry the complete unit on the transport wheel.
Okay. All right, we're going to go do the opposite side, and then we'll wrap the video up.
Yep.
All right, well, that wraps us up for the assembly of the mulch layer and the kits that go on the drip tape and the carrier. So the transport wheels make it really easy to move the thing around, especially with the extra weight of the mulch on there. So thanks, Romain, for another great product, and we're going to check in on some other videos on the actual, how to use it properly. So, all right, thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you.